Igsuon atong scripture reading karon na sa Proverbs chapter 6 verse number 6. Ingon ang balang kasulatan, "Go to the ant, thou sluggard, consider her ways and be wise." Igsuon ato ni i-breakdown ha. Ingon ang balang kasulatan, "Go to the ant." It's a call to observe the diligence, discipline, and work ethic of ants. Gagmay sila nga creature but prepares and work consistently. Siya nga verse encouraging wisdom through action and planning. Ang sunod, thou sluggard. Unsa maning sluggard? A sluggard is a lazy person, someone who avoids work or procrastinates. Kani igsuon kaning nga verse is addressing such a person directly, calling them to wake up and learn. Ingon pa gyud ang balaang kasulatan, consider her ways. Unsa day ang ways sa ants? Ang ways sa ants is diligence, hardworking, and discipline. Ants are always busy gathering food. They save and prepare for the future. Kaduha nga way sa ants igsoon is team-oriented. They work together harmoniously and consistently for a common goal. Ikatulo is prepared. Ants gather food in the summer to survive the winter. They plan ahead. Ngunday day ng balang kasulatan igsoon, and be wise. The goal is transformation. Learning from the ant should inspire better habits and a stronger work ethic. Muna igsoon, go to the ant, consider her ways, and be wise.